Bring on the cocktails.
Today on Battle of the Bartenders, we're going to be watching all of the contestants' homemade recipe videos, and when we're done, you guys get to go vote.
It's cocktail watching time.
Let's go. First up, we have our Southern gentleman, Maui, and he's gonna be making his cocktail, the Maui Wowie.
Hey guys, it's Maui, and today we're gonna be making the Maui Wowie. First thing what you wanna do is you wanna take your cup, you wanna sprinkle some lime on it, and you wanna dip it into the Twang Salt. Okay guys, then what you wanna do, you wanna add 1.5 ounce of Malibu, 3/4 of an ounce Dragonberry Bacardi, 3/4 of an ounce Mango Bacardi, all right, 3/4 of an ounce Island Pucker. And you wanna do a splash of strawberry puree. Then you wanna take the shaker, you wanna shake it a couple times. Then you're gonna take it and strain it. And at the same time, you wanna top it with some punch. And there you have it, the Maui Wowie, guys.
That is a drink that you sip while you're on a beach, straight up. And that strawberry lime salt, it's so good. Mango, strawberry Malibu, like I'm there. Maui Wowie. Next up is Juan Tapia with the Chili Chili Twang Bang.
Strainer, drop. That was amazing. And that presentation, wow, gorgeous.
Okay, the production was amazing, but the cocktail, everything is fresh. Of course, with Juan Tapia, everything is fresh.
It's in the name, top-notch mixers. That was a top-notch cocktail. Next up, we have Teddy, and he's going to be making a cocktail with Zaz tamarind salt, which is something I've never done before. So I'm excited to see what he comes up with. Let's watch Teddy make his cocktail a good day off.
Hi guys, Teddy here. This is my submission for the Thirsty Bartenders and the Twang official online cocktail competition. Using these beautiful Twang salts. So all right guys, we're gonna start out with 1 ounce of fresh cantaloupe juice, 3/4 ounce yeast. We're gonna go 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup. We're gonna go 1/4 ounce St. Elizabeth allspice dram. That's all you need. Illegal mezcal. Hit it with the tamarind salt. A few dashes. Get a nice little whip shake. Get your straw in there. There you go. Called a good day off.
That cocktail is stunning.
Coming from a mezcal bar, I am so happy to see that he used mezcal in his cocktail, because if anybody knows what to pair with mezcal, it should be Teddy.
I would be really interested to taste this cocktail.
Cinnamon and mezcal, that sounds so good.
Next up is Bowtie Louie with El Frutero, which means the fruit guy.
Okay, he used Terramana. You know we're fans of Terramana. And I really love that he mixed 2 salts on his cocktail. He did the mango and the chili lime.
Next up is Dante with Hermosa Island.
His Instagram feed is full of colorful cocktails, so we're expecting something colorful from Mr. Let's Turn Up.
As expected, he made a bright, colorful cocktail and he used Thirsty Blue. See what you did there?
We really love that he used the yellow citrus splash salt. It really complements that blue cocktail.
As well as the tequila in the cocktail.
Next we have the talented Mike Cabrera, and he's going to be making his salty grapefruit French 75. We're loving his twist on the French 75. He switched out the champagne for grapefruit beer, which I think is really smart because grapefruit and gin pair really well together.
We love that he incorporated the grapefruit rimming salt. Paloma Love happens to be in our top 3 favorite Twang Salts. Bailey is bringing the cozy homey vibes and her cocktail is called Playa de Piña.
She made her own pineapple-infused simple syrup for this cocktail. We love anything that's fresh and homemade.
This is the perfect taco night cocktail. She's got chili liqueur, tequila, and mezcal, and she tops it off with that chili lime salt.
We should definitely make that one this Taco Tuesday.
Yeah.
We absolutely adore this next contestant. Here's Tony with his Pineapple Express cocktail.
This video made me feel like I was at an actual bar, and we're really missing that bar scene in South Florida right now.
I really love that he used all fresh juices in this cocktail, and then that golden roar salt was the perfect choice for this cocktail.
It's Wild Miles with that watermelon sugar.
Ha! Can't wait to dive into this watermelon cocktail.
Watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high. Man, I love this song. Oh, I got all this Twang Salt. Thirsty Bartenders are doing a competition. Watermelon sugar high. Oh, I got it. Did I put deodorant? Yeah, I'm good. Let's do this.
Okay, love that he put CBD oil in this cocktail. That's gonna really put us on that watermelon sugar high.
That watermelon and basil combo, I'm here for it. I am here for it. Last but not least, Tiffany will be coaching us through her sparkling salty dog.
Peace, love, and grapefruit. Check it. This is super fun, super easy. The salty dog, amazing fun cocktail. I'm taking a slice of the whole grapefruit and I'm sticking it right in that piece of beautifully loved salt. I love it. Look how pretty it is. And then I'm going to juice it right inside of the glass. Get all the juice and the salt all in one with my juicer. Oh yeah. So I got the grapefruit citrus along with the saltiness of the salt. Yes, yes, look at that. Look at that salty grapefruit juice. I'm gonna toss in a little bit of club soda. Of course, I've gotta add some ice, big cubes. Two ounces of gin. This is the perfect salty dog. Yes, yes, and yes. Put your salt on the ice if you want to. Peace and love. Yes.
Okay, the way that she sprinkled the salt on that grapefruit and juiced it, that was a moment right there, girl. Hot. That one made us thirsty.
Which one of these cocktails made you the thirstiest? Use the link in the description and go vote.
Special thanks to Twang for providing these amazing salts. So many talented contestants. This is gonna be a close one. Bye, go vote. Why are you still here? Bye.